Oh, it's so cold. Oh, I dropped my stuff.
This thing takes such bad videos.
Hey, Bree! Should I explain what to do?
Oh no, she was. Oh, here comes the feet. Push, Mom, push. There you go. Look at that.
So much easier than goats.
Oh.
Can it breathe?
I don't know.
Do you want the...
No, because it doesn't work too good.
It might do a little bit.
Should we clear its mouth area?
Wouldn't a little bit be...
Yeah. I need to tell Mom.
Oh,
Tell me.
Where's this?
Okay, now stop. Stop moving. No. Lay back down.
Stop it.
Oh, good sneezing.
You okay there, little dude, little girl?
Get scissors, Mom. Scissors.
Oh.